It's 5 o'clock. Time for dinner. Wash your hands first. We're making fettuccine alfredo. Only 3 ingredients. A half pound of butter, a half pound of Parmesan cheese, and 1 pound of fettuccine noodles. Let's get cooking. Let's do the butter. We're gonna need to chop that up into small squares. We're gonna have a heart attack of butter. Then we'll put it in our little radiator box. Next, I'm gonna do the water, about 6 quarts. Then, I'm gonna put it on the oven until it boils. We're gonna salt the water until it's just like mono lake. Okay, then we're gonna do the cheese, but on this side. Oof, this is really hard. Can you please help me? A magic bowl of shredded cheese. We're gonna do the noodles. Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
When Alexa fart, then you're gonna take your tongs and take it out and put it with the bowl in the butter. Do not strain it unless you're lazy. And add half of the cheese, like about that much. We're gonna wang jangle that. Then we're gonna add the rest of the cheese when it looks like it's melted. And then we're gonna continue wang jangling. This looks so good. All done, ready to serve. How about a salad with our heart attack? This looks good. Because I'm better at cooking than you.